Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how you can make a really eye-popping multicolor transfer with Siser Holographic Heat Transfer Vinyl. Siser Holographic brings a dimensional, beautiful look to a flat sheet of specialty vinyl. It's essentially built with fragments that change colors at different angles, and each holographic color offers a similar yet distinctive look that's hard to not be mesmerized by. Whether it's gold, silver, rainbow, pearl, Siser Holographic can allow any cotton or polyester item to look incredible with the right design. And as Holographic offers enough colors to work with, there's potential to create vibrant designs that appear unlike any other. Like most specialty HTV, however, it's not possible to layer holographic on top of one another. You can only go as far as making it the top layer of a transfer that mostly consists of layerable HTV. But not all hope is lost, however, as you can take advantage of the knockout method to create a layered look with multiple layers of holographic. The knockout method involves breaking up the layers of a multicolor vector graphic and giving each layer enough space in between for proper placement. By preparing a knocked out graphic on your cutting software, you can then cut each layer on its own with your desired colors and then apply them on your item one by one to create a multicolored transfer with non-layerable materials. While this may seem like graphic design software is required to do the knockout method, most standard cutting software like Vinyl System SignMaster and Silhouette Studio often include tools that allow for multi-layer graphics to be broken up and knocked out. So we'll be guiding you through how to do the knockout method on Silhouette Studio Designer Edition with a 2-layer vector graphic. The tools will be organized in a different way on your particular graphic design or cutting software, though the principles shown here will stay the same. As we'll need to cut 2 rolls of holographic red and pearl for our design, our 24-inch Silhouette Cameo Pro will be ready to cut. First, import the graphic to your software and ungroup it so each layer can be selected on its own. Select the frontmost layer, then find the offset tools. On Silhouette Studio, click Offset to begin configuring its distance and corner style. These settings will ultimately depend on whether you'd like the space between each layer to be small or more noticeable. Once you're satisfied, create the offset, then select the offset shape and back layer together. Find your software's shape modifying tools, which can be found in the Modify panel on Silhouette Studio. By using the Subtract or Punch option, the back shape will have a portion of it knocked out from the offset shape. Since the back layer has been broken up, you can select all of its pieces and group them back together. But with all that done, this knocked out 2-layer graphic is ready to be cut. Draw a weed box around your graphic, then go to your software's cut settings to prepare it for your cutter. On the Send tab in Silhouette Studio, configure it so that only your first layer will be cut. Then use these settings for holographic. Set your material to Heat Transfer Smooth, the blade number set to 3, speed to 8, and force to 14. Load your first roll of holographic HTV to your cutter, then perform a test cut to verify your settings. If your test cut has succeeded, load the vinyl back in, then click Send and Send Mirrored to start cutting your first layer. Trim the first layer out of the roll, and then add your second roll to cut the next layer. If you have more layers of holographic to cut, continue through with the same settings for each one. With all the layers trimmed, weed each one out, then you can put them together to get an idea of how you'll apply each layer to your fabric item. Turn on your heat press and set it to 15 to 20 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once the machine's at temperature, place your item on the lower platen and then pre-press it for about 3 seconds. Since we'll be applying layers of holographic, we'll only need to press the first few layers for 5 seconds each. Position and place your first layer on your item, then cover it with a protective sheet and press. After 5 seconds, open your machine and let the layer cool down, as holographic requires a cold peel for application. Once settled, Continue on with these steps for your next few layers. But for the final layer, you'll need to apply it with the full 15 to 20 seconds, depending on the size and detail of your transfers. When the timer reaches 0, open your machine and allow the transfer to completely cool down. Peel it, and your multicolor holographic design is now set. If you're interested in sharing any of your knocked out holographic designs with us, you can join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. This group will also allow you to meet thousands of other heat transfer enthusiasts along the way. But to learn more about holographic and other Siser HTV products, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can always contact my expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.